A revolution in the electric vehicle sector. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, announced the company's breakthrough with new battery cells during the company's Battery Day event in 2020. We put it all together and go to our new 80mm length 4680. We call this a new cell design. We get 5 times the energy with 6 times the power and enable 16 range increase just form factor alone, Musk said. This is a major step forward in battery generation that has the potential to revolutionize the electric vehicle industry. Tesla's 4680 battery cells were intended to help launch the company's large vehicles, such as the Cybertruck and semi-truck. A few Model Y SUVs manufactured at the automaker's new Austin, Texas plant are being delivered with these batteries. L sounded like Tesla's magic bullet. The 4680 battery from Tesla is well named since, in contrast to the 2170 battery cell currently manufactured as part of a joint venture between Panasonic and Tesla, it has a 46mm diameter and an 80mm height. Although Tesla thinks improvements in battery materials and vehicle design might result in a 56% gain in range, the 4680 battery cell is 5 times larger than the 2170 cell. The larger 4680 battery cell delivers a 16% boost in range over the 2170 cell. Although the 4680 battery cell is a significant improvement over the current 2170 cell, Tesla is having difficulty producing the battery. In a recent 2022 earnings call, Musk stated that the company's 4680 battery cell won't be important until the following year. To be clear, we are currently producing cars using 2170 cells, but it is worthwhile to increase the number of 2170 cells so that we have enough to satisfy all vehicle production for the rest of the year and we are not dependent on 4680. The 4680 battery cell will be important next year. Tesla is on a tight timeline to try and ramp up production of the 4680 battery cell to use in Texas-built models, including the delayed Cybertruck. The automaker has promised the truck will have spectacular figures, which is really only possible with the 4680 cells. When Tesla first introduced the Cybertruck, it made a promise of extreme performance, and in order to fulfill that promise, 4680 cells are required. Vice President of Global Forecasting and Vehicle Forecast Solutions Sam Anfirani, a lock on the new cells would impede the truck's adoption at the same time that other trucks are reaching the market. Andrew Baglino, Tesla's Senior Vice President of Powertrain and Energy Engineering, stated that by the end of 2022, the company wants to produce at least 104,680 battery packs every week. At the moment, the battery cells coming from Tesla's plant in Texas don't have all the material or manufacturing improvements that Tesla plans to offer in the future. The automaker is looking to get basics down before moving to high volume and to enhance the energy density and reduce the cost of the cell, stated Baglino. Since announcing it 3 years ago, Tesla has been hard at work trying to increase the production numbers for its new type of battery cell, and it got some impressive results along the way. Earlier this February, Tesla stated that it had manufactured a total of 1,046,080 cells at the Cato Road Pilot Battery Facility in Fremont, California, achieved a new production milestone. That figure is enough to make 1,200 EVs, with Tesla having trouble getting production of the 4680 battery cell to where it wants to be and the automaker focusing on the basics. It could be why vehicles like the Cybertruck and Semi have been delayed. According to the company's tweet, the team managed to produce roughly 868 04,680 type cylindrical lithium-ion battery cells during the last 7 days. At a conference call that followed Tesla's quarter 12,023 earnings call, Senior Vice President of Engineering Drew Baglino provided some much-needed and detailed updates on the 4680 cell regarding the actual production of the 4680 cell type. He also added that the priority is now to reduce the cost of production as much as possible in preparation for the Cybertruck project ramp-up, which is expected to happen at the beginning of 2024. All in all, it looks like Tesla is on track to make its 4680 battery cells. Currently, the only model equipped with the 4680 type battery cells is the Texas-made Tesla Model Y. The 4680 battery is expected to have some advantages for electric cars, as it will enable Tesla to produce electric motors with longer ranges and faster charging speeds. It is bigger and more powerful than previous Tesla batteries, and it is made with new materials and a new manufacturing process that make it extra efficient and less expensive to supply. As is already known, Tesla uses BYD batteries in the Model Y vehicles that are manufactured at its Berlin Gigafactory. Two of the top producers of electric vehicles worldwide are BYD and Tesla. Nevertheless, Tesla recently unveiled the 4680 battery, a brand new battery from the company. BYD is probably going to be significantly impacted by Tesla's battery. It is anticipated that Tesla will begin utilizing the 4680 battery in its Model Y vehicles made at its Gigafactory. This will lessen Tesla's confidence in BYD for batteries in Texas. It is hard to forecast BYD's earnings, but Tesla's diminished confidence in BYD could result in a decline in BYD sales. On the other hand, the 44,680 battery might enhance demand for electric vehicles. The production cost of Tesla batteries is also lower, which may result in a drop in the price of electric automobiles. The 4680 battery may have impacted the auto industry in a few ways, including raising the desire for electric cars. Because the 4680 battery makes electric vehicles more feasible and inexpensive, it may raise demand for them and enhance competition from other automakers. There may be more competition in the electric vehicle market if other manufacturers begin to produce their own 4680 batteries. Market-reduced pricing for electric vehicles as 4680 battery costs drop, which is projected to result in lower prices for electric vehicles overall and higher adoption of electric vehicles. The adoption of electric vehicles could rise significantly as a result of decreasing prices and higher demand. Typically, this battery enables Tesla to create electric cars with significantly greater range and quicker charging times. EVs comes closer to the advantages of traditional gasoline-powered cars, thanks to its longer range on a single charge and the 4680 battery's quicker charging capabilities, which also make refilling more simple and effective. It's crucial to remember that other companies also provide cutting-edge battery technologies, not just Tesla. Modern Amperex Technology Limited (CATL) and LG Chem Private Limited are two businesses that are actively working on creating their own batteries. Every innovation has the potential to have a big impact on how electric vehicles develop in the future. Sustained advancements in the battery era are essential for the electric vehicle industry's exponential growth. Electric vehicles will become more affordable and have faster charging times as long as these batteries continue to advance. Conclusion: this is a significant step forward for Tesla and the electric vehicle industry. It has the potential to completely change the way we think about transportation and make electric cars more practical and affordable for everyone. Alright guys, feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. We'll see you in another exciting video. The end results of these enhancements will undoubtedly enhance the attraction of electrical automobiles among customers, accelerating the transition toward a cleaner and more sustainable energy future. Till then, goodbye. Kind of like it. I can see why it's divisive and that many people won't be interested in it. The Ford F-150, which has been the best-selling car for 10 years, appeals to them because of its utility and resistance to losing market share. Still, Tesla always manages to surprise us. Rivian later revealed that the Cybertruck would have 4 motors, contrary to Musk's initial promise that it would have 3. Not surprising at all if Tesla matches that. Despite the controversies around the Cybertruck, I think Tesla will succeed with it. They already had success with their semi-trucks, after all. Never undervalue Musk. I appreciate you seeing, and if you haven't already, kindly hit the like and subscribe buttons on my channel. I'm Tesla Stock News. See you in the upcoming video. I'm grateful.